2021 Ford Bronco shows the engine. An octopus in factory close-up of chassis and the goodies. With all the hype surrounding reinvent the rock-crawling SUV, Ford definitely doesn't need any more slip-ups when dealing with the 2021 Bronco. The fact that production has been allegedly delayed until the early days of March and the first deliveries aren't coming until sometimes in the summer is more than enough, right? Well, the Blue Oval certainly doesn't need to add fuel to the fire of rumors that would make people even more restless than they already are. Seriously, if the company wants to have a satisfied fan base, they need to get everything in working order and don't mess up anymore. No more messing up. Now that's because the enthusiast community revolving around the 2021 Bronco is basically huge. Just remember the official reservation update from last October, which tallied more than 190,000. And a force to be reckoned with. Just look at the number of prototypes getting spotted on a daily basis, or the fact that we can check out just about every aspect of the current assembly process from the factory. Take a look at this. Now, in case you need any more evidence about the letter being a regular occurrence, here's another picture gallery from the factory to bode well with the red 4-door first edition. We just checked out the other day, this time around a new post shared by the Bronco6G.com forum. It's dealing with a bare bone chassis setup, which proudly showcases a lot of the internals. Now, as such, we can take a closer look. Granted, the pictures are so-so quality, but no one can imagine a factory being the perfect photo studio. As the entire frame and suspension axle and hubs in the engine. Anyone with a bit of mechanical knowledge will easily appreciate the importance of seeing these kinds of close-up, especially when considering the 2021 Bronco needs to live up to the iconic off-road reputation. Now, after all, the Blue Oval reinvented the range of Bronco models. Even the little Bronco Sport is being touted as capable to deliver thrilling and confident off-road experiences that build on the DNA of the original 1966 Bronco and its racing heritage with ingenious and updatable technologies and adventure-ready attitude created for today's outdoor enthusiasts. These close-ups are just awesome, folks. Now, seeing the chassis setup as a real-world environment makes up a little bit and creates more confidence, and the company will actually deliver on this premises. And we can honestly say there was just one thing that made our eyebrows shiver just a little. Now that would be the Octopus tubes, proudly displayed by the engine. Take a look at all those tubes. Just amazing. The suspension, the Bilstein suspension, and everything about this is just on par. And look at those octopus arms. This is the Ford Bronco, folks. This is A Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and thanks for liking.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more interesting videos.